warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami semua daripada UIA, IIUM ingin mengucapkan selamat Hari Raya Aid Al-Fitr kepada semua rakyat Malaysia dan rakyat sedunia. Rakyat Islam, tak kira Islam atau tak Islam. Satu dunia kami ucapkan. Okey, betul kan? Betul.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'd like to wish Selamat Hari Raya, Maaf Zahir Batin to all students and staff of IIUM. To all our international students who will be celebrating Eid Al-Fitr far away from home, I hope you take this opportunity to celebrate it with all your Malaysian friends. May Allah bless us all. Selamat Hari Raya, Maaf Zahir Batin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
As Rector of IIUM, I would like to wish Selamat Hari Raya Eid Al-Fitr to all staff and students. May the month of Shawwal bring peace and enjoyment to you and your loved ones. I wish you all happiness and safety wherever you may be.
I would like to take this opportunity to wish everyone Eid Mubarak, Kullu Aam wa Antum bi Khair, Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of us, our family, our university and our ummah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat Hari Raya Eid Al-Fitr. Eid Mubarak, Kullu Aam wa Antum bi Khair. May Allah accept our siyam and qiyam. May Allah grant us the greatest reward of taqwa. Selamat Hari Raya Eid Al-Fitr. Maaf Zahir Batin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this joyous occasion, I would like to wish everyone Selamat Hari Raya Eid Al-Fitr, Eid Mubarak. May Allah accept all our good deeds as sincere ibadah, and may Allah bless us and the family of IIUM as we move forward to achieve greater heights.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to take this opportunity to wish IIUM community and everyone Selamat Hari Raya Eid Al-Fitr, Maaf Zahir dan Batin.
Assalamualaikum. I would like to take this opportunity to wish you and your family Selamat Hari Raya Eid Al-Fitr, Maaf Zahir Batin, and may it be filled with happiness and blessings.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ismi Raja Badrul Isham, Raja Muhammad Ali, min Office of the Legal Advisor Al-Jama'atul Islamiyah Al-Alamin. Atamanna lakum Eid Al-Fitr Al-Mubarak, Kullu Aam wa Antum bil Khair.
من مكتب الرئيس التنفيذي الرقمي نتمنى لكم عيد الفطر مبارك، كل عام وأنتم بخير، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
I would like to wish happy Eid Mubarak to all IIUM staff, students and families. Wish that this Eid Mubarak will bring us together and will get the barakah from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Selamat Hari Raya Eid Al-Fitr.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On behalf of Office for Strategy and Institutional Change, I would like to wish all IIUM community and Muslim Selamat Hari Raya Eid Al-Fitr, Maaf Zahir dan Batin.